Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best electric oil pump siphon liquid transfer. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best electric oil pump siphon liquid transfer for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When it comes to transferring liquids efficiently and safely, an electric oil pump siphon is an indispensable tool for both home and professional use. Whether you need to transfer oil, fuel, or other liquids, this device simplifies the process and minimizes spills. Look for a pump with a strong motor that can handle various viscosities. A higher flow rate ensures quicker transfers, saving you valuable time. Many electric oil pumps can transfer not just oil but also fuel, water, and other fluids. Check compatibility with the liquids you plan to use. Choose a lightweight and compact model for easy transportation, especially if you need to move it between locations. Automatic shut-off mechanisms and built-in filters can prevent overfilling and contamination, making the transfer process safer. Select a pump made from high-quality materials that can withstand wear and tear, ensuring long-term reliability. Why buy an electric oil pump siphon? Investing in an electric oil pump siphon can save you time, reduce manual labor, and enhance safety during liquid transfers. Whether for automotive use, home maintenance, or industrial applications, this tool is designed to streamline your tasks effectively. The right electric oil pump siphon can revolutionize how you handle liquid transfers. Prioritize features that suit your needs, and you will find the perfect pump for efficient and safe operations. Thanks for watching the video.